Hey everybody, it's me! So, today we are going to have a bit of fun. We are going to be tearing into this iMac. The issue that we are having is it takes 10,000 years to boot up and doesn't actually boot. So I'm 95% confident that the hard drive has failed and needs to be replaced. Alright, so on this particular model of iMac, the way you get into it is actually quite simple. You gotta put the suction cup near the top middle. Don't hurt your finger when you clamp it, because that hurt. And then aim it down, pull to where you get a little bit of a gap at the top so you can help it. Pull a little bit more and the glass will pop forward. The newer iMacs do not do this. They are glued shut with industrial strength adhesive. Really annoying. But pull it up a little bit and then out, and there's the screen. Put the glass screen somewhere safe, that way it doesn't get broken. Alright, now with that out, we gotta do, I believe it's 8 screws, which is where the handy dandy iFixit kit comes into play. Yep, Torx T10, and start unscrewing the screws that are down here. So it's this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, that one, and that one. Make sure it's tilted up at this point because I'm on the last screw. And then when you tilt it forward, make sure you got your fingers on the display because it will fall forward if you're not careful. Now you can only bend it so far forward before you have to reach up and in to disconnect. Ooh, this thing is dirty. You gotta disconnect wires that are on the inside. And I can't really show this on screen because of the angle. So there's a wire that only lets you out so far. You got to reach in without touching the circuit board and pull on the wire just a little bit to get it to come free from the backside. And then you can reach in, and there's a wire that's up over here that's attached to the backlight board that you have to disconnect. And then there's also the display cable that is down below that is also hard to reach. This thing is super dusty. Where you have to reach in and disconnect the cable that runs to the monitor. There we go. There we go. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 cables that you have to take off. And they're very tight, so that's why you can't just pop them off when you get the screen out. But there's one here, 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 and here that you have to disconnect before you can take that out. If you try to take it out beforehand, you'll bust the cables and you'll basically render the Mac useless. Next up, power and SATA need to come off. Take out the screws that hold the hard drive in. Ah, that's got this one on it. Okay. So this is an external reader of the temperature sensor. And it's a 500 gig Apple Western Digital hard drive. We're going to be replacing it with a Western Digital 1 terabyte. This actually will probably be better than the one that was in here. Good part is it has the connectors in the front that I might just be able to reuse. Oh wait, no, they got a special connector on it. Okay, so with that drive back in now, we'll go ahead and put the display back on, remount it, and see if it works. Obviously, reinstall the operating system. Set this back in place, and carefully get everything reconnected. Okay. We'll supply power and see what happens. That's better. one more self-power on test, and we'll see how it does. Welcome back to macOS High Sierra. So per the usual, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Hopefully I was a little bit descriptive on what I was doing so you could follow along if you want to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Comment below on anything that you might think I did wrong, or if you think I did a fantastic job or anything like that. And I'll talk to you all in future episodes of Computer Repair. Talk to you later. Have a good day.